virengia na woigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cyo tebererie kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate no corrugated na woigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na woigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na woigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi woigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya Sigika ayo uchani warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu cyuyigo busongo iyo irange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba cyabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Nigo cheragire Chinsa Ikomi mwancho muri wa Getembe TV Ekeonga asenchira yobenge Vanessa Nyaboke kurasumu na abu imanyiriro Kevin Ongeri kuri studio akabere na yakone kabona chibiche china marengo kirachira senchira ere yowekrano nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyabuga kabana intu ikomwario Ritkoria rero nigo kyombekire kyobochori ni chimbe kya IEBC emambia ya rero gacha kyomuroberi boko barika bakichikura abaye Kenya ingima nemono abasaya obenyorera ebibande amatuka bwangoiga no moyega okorekana osoigorora bene ense mashuru egotoka county ya Kajiado na nigo orawa nero monyakiro bwe kyumbe ekyo kyobochone chimbebe Erastus Edung Efekon na ba commissioner bande korwa ase ekyumbekyo
Usinduzi wa usajili wa wapiga kura, shughuli ambayo tume ya uchaguzi na mipaka imeanzisha tarehe 29 mwezi wa 9 siku ambayo ni siku ya leo, na shughuli hii inajiri kuhusisha Wakenya wote wenye wamefikisha umri wa kupiga kura, yaani wale wamepata ID, wenye wamepata kipande ama pasipoti, wenye ambao sasa kwa sasa hivi wanaweza kusajiliwa kama wapiga kura, na huu ni shughuli ambayo katiba inatulazimisha kama tume ya uchaguzi kuendesha shughuli ya kusajili wapiga kura nchini kote, pembe zote za nchi. Kwa hivyo tunahimiza wapiga kura, tunahimiza vijana haswa ambao ni mara yao ya kwanza kupata ID, kupata passport, wajitokeze kwa wingi ili wajisajili, ili waanze shughuli ya kujiandaa kwa uchaguzi ujao ambao utakuwa mwezi wa 2027, kwa hivyo 2027. Kwa hivyo tumefanya, kwa kimombo wanasema hit the ground running. Kwa hivyo huu shughuli inaanza leo na itaendelea katika sehemu za uchaguzi, yani constituencies 29 kokote nchini. Kisha baada ya by election tutafanya kuzindua ile mass voter registration, ile ambayo itaenda mpaka kwenye wards na kwenye vitongoji, ndio ili haswa ndio tupate wasajili wale waandikishaji wenye watasajiliwa kupiga kura wengi, kwa sababu tunafanya target ya milioni kama 28.5. Pesa, normally we can say resources are very scarce, but kwa sasa hivi tuko na fedha za kutosha kushughulikia hii shughuli, lakini tukiendelea mbele tutajadiliana na bunge na treasury pia watupatie fedha za kutosha kufanya ile enhance, yani maana yake mass voter registration. Kwa hivyo bado tutahitaji fedha za kutusaidia kwa hiyo shughuli. Sisi tuliwaahidi wa Kenya kwamba we shall not leave no one behind. Kwa hivyo sisi kama tume tumefanya mipango yote, hata hapa Mashuru mahali tuko na watu with disability, kuna wale pastoralists, nomads, tumeleta watu wote kwa sababu hatutaki kuacha mtu yote.
Chiribu cy'abamenyi b'ebunge Nyaribari Masaba county nigo barengwa amaroire yankorobosa elio konyora rituko ryengoro rimanyikaine buna World Heart Day. Foundation ya America rubo ko batirana n'ekinye gitaria nigo chena nete oborenkyo bo asebara etenere Kennedy Ombaba nabo igo nengana yaito koboko no mumsie borogongoro omoske weekly social abo babe batebete na nerebuya abantu korengwa enkoro unenchera yamo yokomanywa amaruire yenkoro mapema nabo yokonyora oboruhali.
The purpose of the foundation is to raise awareness to people and inform them that heart health is very important. Actually, Kenya, we are losing over 100,000 Kenyans due to heart-related issues. And then medics are saying that heart disease is a silent killer, #1. And therefore, without knowledge, you can collapse and die due to this. So the foundation has taught that it's important to raise awareness on matters to do with heart health so that our people will be in a position to understand and know the issue of heart. Once they know, we have partnered with hospitals, they will be able to find a chance to go and get medicated. That's why we are here, and this is the first ever we have ever done in our ward. So we are looking forward to have many more of these camps next year. And also, apart from the camps, we raise awareness in schools. We go to schools, we tell them first aids, so that when someone collapses, how can they assist? Like this case of Mary Kerubo, if the learners had known how to do CPR, they could have managed at least maybe. But what we are saying, it's important to raise awareness. Homes, if someone collapses at home, what do you do? People don't know, and it's important for us to do that. Apart from that, we'll be doing walks, we'll be doing screening, we'll be doing runs, and also a health camp. Those are the things we intend to do, tukishirikiana na county government of Kisii, tukishirikiana na private hospitals, other NGOs, and our leaders.
I want to thank you because you've taken the initiative, because you could have given up because you have already lost the treasure that you had for your life. But I'm happy that he thought outside the box. He has come up with a foundation which is geared towards ensuring that is creating the awareness or the campaign about the heart health and also the mental health, because currently, like especially in my ward here, we have had so many cases of people who are taking their own life, and I think that this initiative will go a long way to helping our people, even to manage them whenever they have maybe stressful moments, so that we can see whether this rates as a result of people taking out their own life goes down. And we are looking forward to for such many events or activities.
Mambiri tukoria rero mora mokonyo mora iwense Professor from Kithure Kindiki nigo araige karogia emerongebere na gatano na gatto gia IPEC gose Intergovernmental Budget in the Economic Council nege karogia korekana ensemo ya kareni ime yomocho Nairobi nege karo kerengetigo kwaniro mwancho murigeria ensemo gati yabo ya uchumi Obachenu chisemi devolution gose chisekali chechi county mone chinsemo chinde kindiki niga kwanira arige karekyo kerache go kwanira nabo igo chinchira barache go kinya chinsemo echo annamono ensemeria ya devolution.
We have the social enablers that help in the transformation of the economy of the country, and here we are focusing on health. That's why we are very keen on universal health coverage, because a healthy population is a productive population, and that's how you create a wealthy nation. So the social enablers are mainly health and education. And if we put all these things together and pursue this uninterrupted, it is possible to change Kenya in our lifetime and move it from where we are to a better place. As we preserve and implement our constitution, we must preserve and implement devolution, because the issues that devolution was supposed to resolve are as critical as they were 15 years ago when we enacted the constitution we have today. It is about services closer to the people. It is about decisions being made at lower levels, making those decisions most legitimate. It is about the public participating in governance. It is also about dispersal of power vertically. And it is also about moving the country where it was 15 years ago with only one center of growth, which is Nairobi, where everything was decided and financed from, to creating 47 centers of growth, simultaneously spurring the growth and renewal of our country.
Mwaziri wabachenu moske adendwana gokwana sege karekyo niga kwanera mangana yo agendere gosara igoro yo murobire olinda mama gokwana asege karekyo nigo akwanera murobire yo ase bono okorokwa so chenchire tueri eta korolinda mama ocha inwa jamii na nigo gosira omurobire yo na asateba murobire yo nigo naniro gosira okonene na mno ucha sabasubati bari bakongya nabo igo abanyaro ka b'imyaka emeke nanigo okonyira basubati wetani akiribu chimi sana nemo 25 nabo igo asigati abakonye kire kiribu 40 yemo nigo bari abanyaruka b'imyaka emeke.
In maternal and child health, and this is very, very important for the country to know because of the story that was going on over this weekend. Let me read the record straight. The Inua Jamii program, which has replaced the other one, which everybody knows, supported 627,155 safe deliveries, including 41,000 for teenage mothers. And Excellency, let me make it also very clear that teenage mothers, wherever they are in our country, they have a direct access to health care paid by the government of Kenya through the Social Health Authority. This is offering both integrated maternal and newborn services with financial protection to their families. In fact, they are being paid for them and their families.
Munachebine omonene omukuru David Maraga nigatebire bono niganachirikina na nache kobore kirokyo borai bwensasa bocheri bore bosyo omwaka 2027. Maraga nigatebire nache kubwati ari chiko riense asa mochire serikali yabono ase ogokora maamuzi etari kubwatania amaoni y'Abakenya na goteba Kenya ninsentenengo na nige bwate chibesa chisaine korende nigo cyabere chigotumeka ase chigotumekwa ase chinjira chitari chingi.
I have made a decision to run for presidency in 2027. Sababu vile nilisema tuko babaya sana. We are in bad shape. Ni nini mimi nataka kufanya? My vision is to reset, restore, and rebuild Kenya. Under ukatiba. That is my philosophy. Ukatiba, constitutionalism. Watu wengine wameniuliza ati philosophy yako ni gani? Nikawaambia yangu ni ukatiba. Constitutionalism na mimi ni mukatiba. Mumeelewa hivyo? Hiyo ni kusema tufanye kazi kulingana na katiba yetu. Tufanye kazi kulingana na katiba yetu na kila kitu itafuata njia. Hiyo kazi tukifanya tunatumia 5 pillars. Mheshimiwa amezungumzia hizo. Ya kwanza kabisa ni rule of law. Ila tunaita rule of law. Rule of law ni kusema kila mtu anatii sheria. Kuanzia rais mwenyewe. Msije mkaambiwa ati rais is above the law. Ila kusema ati rais is above the law ni kusema uwezi kumpeleka kotini akiwa rais. Lakini akitoka hivi tarehe 20 mimi tukipiga kura tarehe 27 August na tarehe 28 29 asemekana ameshindwa, the next day unaweza kumpeleka kotini kwa ile makosa alifanya. Wale ile serikali tunayo ni kama mamlaka ni ya viongozi wa Kenya, ndio wanafanya nini? Ndio wanafanyia kazi. Sasa imekuwa like this, vice versa. We want to restore the Kenyans with the authority. Why am I saying that? Au kwa nini hiyo ni important? Vitu inafanywa hivi bila hata wananchi kuhusishwa. Those are the things we wanted to stop ili Kenya yetu endelee. We are a very rich country, let me tell you. Hii pesa ya wizi hii yote nachukuliwa hivi, ikirudishwa iwekwe education, iwekwe health, tutaendelea vizuri.
Chabtukire chitaika Ikomi na isano nemo iguru ye Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogobo mwanchi morigereria yomunenda mange nibere nenye chobotkubarera neremkat ena kunchenguru kwa Catherine Nyabonga Vanessa Nyaboke kurwa sumuno abo imanyiriro Kevin Ongeri kuro studio kabinera koneke muna chibichechi na marengo karachira senchira yobokirano twara boligere bro bya bye bye tumurani bitkure anki.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheli guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale ya watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi na bwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase enengo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase Chinsa mu buno 7